Hello, students. Today we will be reading Perminder's Cleaning Day. Let's get started. Perminder cleans her house. This is Perminder. She is a woman who is going to clean her house. Perminder cleans the kitchen. This is Perminder's kitchen, where she cooks food. She cleans the kitchen. She puts away the dishes. These are dishes. She takes them and puts them away. She sweeps the floor. This is a broom. She uses it to sweep the floor. Perminder cleans the bathroom. This is Perminder's bathroom, and she is going to clean it. She puts away the toothpaste. This is Perminder's toothpaste. She is going to put it away. She washes the sink. This is Perminder's sink, and she is going to wash it. Perminder cleans the bedrooms. This is Perminder's bedroom. This is a bed where you sleep. She puts away the toys. These are toys for Perminder's children, and she cleans them. She makes the beds. This bed is made. She fixed the cover and the pillows. Perminder cleans the living room. This is the living room. It has a TV, a couch, a fireplace, and toys. She puts away the books. These are books for Perminder's children. She dusts the shelf. This is a shelf, and Perminder uses this duster to clean it. Perminder works hard. Perminder is tired now. Then she drinks some tea. Now Perminder drinks tea and relaxes after cleaning. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye.